Oliota muna.
Kamba Sharon is Sharon.
Is Sharon what is it?
Yeah.
What is it?
I think that's TikTok.
Lwaki wali sudde lirimu nange kuba ffe tubadde tukumanyiddeko
erinnya lya kisiru
erya Shairota lya kisiru litya maama
oba nanyini we musiru
ani omusiru
nanyini wakuze
Vyroota Vyroota muki
musiru fala katusagala kozesa erinnya lye.
Alright, yes, oli ku Glosh TV nga bulijjo nateera njagala kubanga nkubuuzaako muganda wange gwe wenna atugoberera wano ku mukutu gwaffe gwa YouTube nti wasiibye otya ogamba otya kasubire oli bulungi nateera nkujjukiza nti nja kusaba muganda wange genda wansaawo osubscribinge olikinge ateera osharinge still osobola okomentinga okusinzira ku vidiyo eno nga woba okoze ki nga woba ojabe nateera nyongera okubanga nkujjukiza gwe wenna eyandyetaaza okubanga olanga naffe aba Glosh TV osobola okubanga otunoonyako kanamba kaffe ak'essimu 0750312083 oba 0750312083 ojja kubanga osobola okubanga otufuna tujja kubanga tukulangira bizinesi yo osobola okubanga naawe ogikuba abantu mu maaso.
Oliota muna.
Kamba Sharon is Sharon.
Erya Shairota what is it?
Yeah.
Lwaki wali sudde
I think that's TikTok. Erinnya lya kisiru Sharon.
Lwaki wali sudde lirimu nange kuba ffe tubadde tukumanyiddeko
erinnya lya kisiru
erya Shairota lya kisiru litya maama
oba nanyini we musiru
ani omusiru
nanyini wakuze
Vyroota Vyroota muki
musiru fala katusagala kozesa erinnya lye.
lwaki toyagala kozesa linnya newunyiize nnyo bannange yakoze eki this time around ne Shairota okay Sharon kiki Vyroota ekituufu kyeyakola
amanyi byakoze naye sigenda bagamba amanyi kyakoze
wamulaba bwe yarebrandinga n'asiiga ka ina ange kapiri mu nnyindo buli kimu jimu agikuba butesa
kati omusajja akuba jimu naye omusajja akuba jimu naye why is he not having that weight? You still have that stomach like pregnant women and the asaya wakirabye he posted some video nga ali naked that's why he was wearing a boxer and what's that?
I know
what is this showing to people? It's not acting a six pack. You have the stomach like ladies or now we wait
ka ina ke yasize kunjala ko wakalabye
nakalabye
okwogera ko
akala news yetakala kuva ku internet chokala balikola ebyo
ate kapini kano akali sexy
omusira ezikatize
Vyroota muki
abasajja agala kuzira ku polisi nange agenda kuzira ku polisi sugar mami agenda kuntwala ku polisi
alina sugar mami
izi yangamba agenda kuntwala ku polisi nemugamba kwama
naye ng'asobola okusiba bwe sitaati
nga alina ssente naye kyemmanyi soba nange ndimulambiza sobola kunsiba ku polisi kati koze yasiba kusajja yakakusira ku polisi kukigamani nasobola
Vyroota ki kyeweesiga kyogamba ky'olina nga gwe omukazi kikufuula omujjuvu
I have my sponsor from USA. Never heard that money.
Ako sente
I don't have any boyfriend in Uganda. I don't have a boyfriend in my life. Napo sponsor from USA. I'm passing every time.
or spending a meko olunaku
I don't spend money because I don't know. I can't. sometimes I move. When I move out, spending annual salary. My friends. Maybe when I go out, I can spend money like when I spend little money, I spend around 500. Little money. Because he sends me a lot of money. He sends me dollars. I go and pick from Western Union. I go and spend with my friends out. Actually, Wanga is sponsoring me to enjoy life.
Okay. There's also Awanda called Vyroota.
The Vyroota, what I'm more saying. I don't have a sense of lunch, dinner, everything. I'm more dinner I'm more sense sometimes.
Mwanga maker. We no take a lero.
Like, I give them more sense. Sometimes you call me and be like, Bam, in this stuff, number, because account young. If you have someone in your account, so one pay, it's okay. I send him like 150, 200. Just hoping. But your money dinner center. You're like just showing off to people. So a dinner center, you're just showing off to people. That is your manager even hoping.
Which manager is that?
I know Musajja.
Okay.
Answer your manager.
Kicho inzo mugambo sawe. Bali bagamba naye kiko ina kyogamba bali kino. Ndi mukazi njirira nina kino.
Lwaki yagobye gundi? Ono Mina
yali bwe yako.
Mina tumanye mukazi kwi Mina.
Yamugobye. Kati essanyu likuta.
Aneda. Nze mukazi namugambye. Nze Vyroota mumanyi bulungi. You are not even going to take like more than 2 months if Vyroota is going to chase you. That's all. But if Vyroota chased her, she came to me, she inboxed me and was like, Bambi, Vyroota, all what you told me was true. I'm sorry, I have to you know, I got a nanga to WhatsApp.
Okay. No, the Vuto, no music at him. Robert, you are from over
Sakala Pizala Munanga. You want to much.
Welcome, Mamma, name or little Vuto Vyroota.
I am still. I like your cousin. I was, but then now, like I was pregnant of him. I wanted to produce before. Like I have realized, it's even good. I didn't produce. Oh, your father. I can't be with such kind of a man. So I even got him last week. But then I'm
okay, kakati muna. Chicho obadde otugamba chicho weesiga ky'olina.
Like
kirungi ng'ogyeko ssente. Kino banayinze abasajja tekibasuula eddalu.
I have everything,
Nga kinaki?
Am I not black beauty? Does that help me out?
Olina ki ekirala?
Okay, I'm just perfect to me. Be perfect. I tell you, I'm better than many ladies here in Kampala. They are there out. When I have a Musajja, I sleep with men to get my nails and do one. I don't sleep with men, I am better than some. But they abuse me there on internet, on a Malaya, Chia. I think the Katibian color. When you see me with a man, like I do content, inside color content. I can do with it today, the 2 color content, the cheap one you go. But I want to I sleep with those men with the Malaya. The money why Uganda is afraid to get that brain.
Okay. Natumaliza music wali kuchika to ina kapia.
So when I'm going outside town, I stop music at then Sagara. And Kati, Chamina Chimanya, by the way, my visa is on process, I'm going out.
Okay. Kayanza nyumukwana. Ina katalekeka? Ina katalekeka?
How?
Omazwelo?
Yeah, I'm done.
Okay, thank you.